Hey guys, welcome back to Urgent Performance. So today I got a phone call from Diego. He says, grab the camera equipment. I got the boys at my house. Head up. We got a surprise for you. So I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what's going on, but if I had to guess, I think he's got himself a new car. So join us here for the ride. What's going on, fellas?
This is my 2000 BMW E46 pre-facelift. I picked it up about a week ago. We gutted half the interior. Just took out the back seats, rear trunk liners, bit of the sound deadening, and that's pretty much it.
What else do you want to do for gutting?
Not much, it's just gonna stay half interior, I think. Just gonna put a welded diff in it, maybe a hydro, do some brakes because it needs them, and some front control arms, and maybe an SLR kit or some angle bracket of some sort, and get it drifting for the weekend. It's gonna be a dedicated drift car for the track, and that's pretty much it.
Oh, nice cock.
Dude, that thing's been around.
I'm not getting, I don't want to touch that.
I don't know. What's the way forward?
We should do high car, low car.
No.
BMW, both two low cars.
Instead of high car, low car, we're doing low car, low car.
Low car, lower car. So what the f are we doing first here?
Put the front coilovers on.
Did you just break that?
I broke the height sensor. Drifting
5 cars, not 5
drifting
kilometers.
on the
Oh,
here.
got a f***ing budget of like a lollipop and some pocket lint, my guy.
Hey boy, you can sell those for 200.
Huh? You can probably sell those for $200.
Oh yeah.
Who's gonna buy him for 200? Oh my god, someone like Diego, eh?
I didn't buy them.
But he would.
No. I did. How the f are we doing this?
No more shot. There you go.
I'm scared.
So far,
I'm scared too.
That's aiming right at me.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I'm in the wrong f***ing spot.
Look at Diego, he's like,
Oh, fucking aim it towards me, bro. I'm going underneath the. Oh, there you go.
How are you gonna compress that?
my hand.
I can't twist it. Twist it. I can't twist it.
Hold the lower spring part of that. Yeah, okay, you don't have to strain yourself.
No. All right. Hurry up.
Where?
There's a socket right there.
Where?
Right there.
Okay, let go. There you go.
Jesus Christ. Some elbow grease for sure.
No, the worst part is you gotta do this one more time.
Yeah.
Lower this.
Why don't you use the vice over there?
Hold it from there. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna use the vice over there. I thought you were clapping.
Holy shit.
Okay, you ready for round 2? You were struggling, how hard to do it? Well done. Okay, get it in. Wait, more. Next side. Okay, come with it. I can't say.
Is the front done?
Front down. They're probably down quite a bit. Yep.
Oh!
Cut. I just need to cut this one.
Yeah.
So across from this.
All the way there, eh?
Yeah.
Jesus.
It's not gonna sit fucking. Oh, I guess once it's compressed, it won't sit crooked.
You need like 2,000 more pounds back.
Grab your hand. Yeah. I guess it doesn't sit like that. Okay, stop. Next. Hopefully these things don't bounce off. I lose them in the street. Alright. Throw the wheels on. What? Let's throw the wheels on. Slow.
Holy shit!
My bad.
Oh, you're good, you're good.